So students, in this period we are going to see human digestive system. Which parts are includes in which parts of our body includes in our human digestive systems? It's called alimentary canal. It consists of various organs such as mouth, food pipe, then stomach, small intestine, then large intestine, then rectum, and last anus. So these all are the parts involved in the digestion of human. First of all, and along with this organ, some juices, digestive juices also secreted by our various glands. That glands are salivary gland, then liver, then gallbladder, and pancreas. These are the glands which secrete the digestive juice, which helps in the digestion process. So our digestion starts from mouth. As we intake the food, as we chew the food, at that time digestion starts. When we eat the food, that time saliva. What is saliva? When you think about your favorite food item, then our mouth start watering. It means that our mouth secretes saliva at that time. So saliva mixed with the food when we chew the food properly. Then after it goes through food pipe. It become what we can say. It helps in swallowing the food through food pipe, and it reach up to the stomach. Then stomach secrete digestive juice. Stomach secrete digestive juices, and after food digests in that stomach, it will stay in the stomach from few minutes to few hours also. So then after it reach to small intestine. The liver secrete juice there. Bile. Liver secrete bile juice. Which juice? Bile, which helps in the digestion of food. Then after gallbladder also secrete juice which helps in the which also makes the protein into simple amino acids like that. Then it reach in a small intestine. Also pancreas also secrete a pancreatic juice. Which it adds in the small intestine, which further digest the complex food material into simple one. Then after reaching small intestine, there is the inner layer of the small intestines contain villi. Villi means I will tell in another period. Villi that absorb the food. It villi is covered with so many millions of small capillaries of blood are present around the villi. absorb the food material which is digested in small intestine, and it carries blood carries the all the nutrients which is digested properly to all the body cells. Thereafter the remaining the food which not digested, other we can say the food which are not used for in our body, they go in a large intestine. Then the whatever the food means the excess of the water. If the water present in the large intestine, then after the water is get absorbed there. Then after the waste food material reach to rectum, and at last it is passed out through anus. This is the process of digestion. I will just tell you shortly there. So in the next period I will tell you detail about the digestion of food.